Bear. Bears are big, furry mammals. Brown bears usually eat grass, insects, plant roots, and bulbs. But if they are very hungry, they will sometimes hunt small animals too. Cow. Do you like milk? Milk is produced by cows. The cows that you know are probably black and white in color, but there are also brown cows, white cows, and black cows. Duck. You can easily know whether a mallard duck is male or female. Male ducks have green heads and gray bodies, while female ducks are covered in brown feathers. Elephant. Elephants have big ears, huge bodies, and long noses. When they talk to each other, it sounds like a trumpet. Woo! Woo! Frog. Frogs eat bugs by catching them with their long, sticky tongues. Frogs move by hopping. Hippity hoppity hop. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest living animals on Earth. They have long legs, long necks, and long tongues to reach high up on the trees. Horse. Horses can run very fast. Have you ever ridden a horse? Try touching gently behind a horse's ears. If it feels cold, it means that the horse feels cold too. Iguana. Do you like dragons? If you do, you might like iguanas since they look a little alike. Iguanas love sunbathing. They also can change the color of their skin to make it hard for predators to see them. Jaguar. Jaguars have orange fur with black spots shaped like roses. They eat meat and fish and are good at climbing trees. Kangaroo. Kangaroos move around by hopping. Female kangaroos have pouches on their bellies. Their babies live there until they're old enough to get out. Lion. It is easy to tell male lions from the females. Only male lions have long hair around their necks. Lions roar. Monkey. Monkeys love bananas. They are smart animals too. They love to swing from one tree branch to another. Narwhal. Do you like unicorns? Narwhals are often called the unicorns of the sea because of their horns. This horn is sensitive to temperature and chemical differences in the environment. Ostrich. The ostrich is the funniest